What is a queue? Think of a queue at a ticket counter. The first person who enters is the first one who leaves. So the rule is first in, first out. In computers, printer jobs. The first file you send to the print gets printed first. Now let's do an example for queue. Import java.util.linked import java.util.queue, import java.util.scanner, public class ticket queue, public static void main string args, scanner is equal to new scanner system.in, queue string ticket line equal to new linked list, while true system.out.println, choose an option, join queue, serve tickets, show queue, exit. In choice equal to sc.nextInt, sc.nextLine, switch choice, case 1, system.out.print, enter your name, string name equal to sc.nextLine, ticket line.add name, system.out.println, name plus joined the queue. Break. Case 2, if not ticket line dot is empty, string served equal to ticket line.poll, system.out.println, ticket given to plus served, else system.out.println, no one is in the queue. Break. Case 3, system.out.println, current queue plus ticket line. Break. Case 4, system.out.println, exiting, sc.close, return. Default system.out.println, invalid choice. And the output will be choose an option, join queue, serve ticket, show queue, exit. Enter your name, Alex joined the queue. Enter your name, Mia joined the queue. Current queue, Alex, Mia. Ticket given to Alex, current queue, Mia.